Hey there, lovebirds. Are you planning your dream wedding and can't decide on the perfect destination for your big day? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you choose the perfect destination for your wedding. First things first, sit down with your partner and make a list of all the places you've always wanted to visit. Whether it's a tropical paradise, a romantic city break or a cozy countryside getaway, write it all down and start your search from there. Next up, start your research. There are plenty of resources online that can help you find the perfect wedding destination, from travel blogs to wedding planning websites. Look for venues that match your wedding style and budget, and make sure to read reviews from other couples who have tied the knot there. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider hiring a wedding planner. A professional planner can help you narrow down your options and find the perfect destination that suits your needs and preferences. Plus, they can take care of all the details, from venue bookings to catering and decorations. Once you've chosen your destination, it's time to start planning your trip. Consider factors like travel time, local weather and cultural customs, and make sure to inform your guests well in advance so they can plan accordingly. And finally, enjoy your special day. Whether you're exchanging vows on a beautiful beach or surrounded by stunning mountain views, the most important thing is that you're marrying the love of your life in a place that feels special and meaningful to you. So there you have it, folks. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to choosing the perfect destination for your dream wedding. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beautiful destinations, wedding planning tips and inspiration, and we'll see you in the next video.